What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing the Zakustech version 2 louvers for the 350Z. My install man right here, Rafa. Say what's up, dude.
What's up?
You ready for the install?
Let's do it.
I didn't even know they had this on this side. Oh boy, that look dope. Yep. Oh yeah, dude, that shit's so clean. Alright guys, so the install should be fairly simple. It's just gonna be 3M tape across the sides of it. 3M tape along the sides on this side and this side. Alright guys, as you can tell, I already put the louvers right there in the back window. They look freaking amazing in here. Like, I really love them. Look at that. They don't obstruct the view at all back there. I feel like you can see perfectly fine out of them, so you shouldn't be worried about that when you get them. I've driven around with them for a while now, and they do rattle a little bit against the glass, but honestly, it doesn't really bug me. I feel like they look really cool. If you're interested in picking up louvers, there are other options online. I've seen some go for around half the price, and they still look good. They just look a little different in my opinion. They look a little bit more exaggerated, and they look like they're made out of plastic. And to me, I didn't really find that too appealing, so I saved up a little more and went with these. I've been trying to get louvers for a while now, so I'm glad that they put me on the waiting list and I got them in like 3 to 4 weeks. But honestly, it was worth the wait. I really love them. I also wanted to add that before you install the louvers, you're gonna have to do a rear wiper delete, and you're gonna be left with a little hole that was where the wiper used to be. I just got a generic sinkhole plug or sinkhole cover from Lowe's, and it fit just perfectly. I vinyl wrapped this so it matched the paint, and it looks really good. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure to do that. Peace out. See you guys next time.
See, I